How to learn Japanese with anime. First of all, you cannot learn Japanese with anime. Learning Japanese and actually studying the language cannot be alternated to watching anime. If you want to learn Japanese, you have to actually study the language. There is no excuse to that. Anime can be used to help you practice listening. So starting with the lowest level, N5, you have to be N5 to practice listening with anime. But you can do if you're not N5, but it won't help that much. You won't understand it. So if you're N5, go on YouTube and search Doraemon. You can understand most part of the anime. If you want, you can use auto-generated subtitles by YouTube. I don't think you will need them. You will almost understand everything they will say. Something that you will not understand is the gadget's name. Like, it would be difficult for you. Now if you're above N5, like somewhere between N4, N3 and N2, I recommend that you can watch any anime you want. There is no restrictions to you. Now, one question may be arising in your mind that anime don't speak real life Japanese. Like Doraemon speaks the real life Japanese. I will recommend or some more animes which speak real life Japanese. But those animes that don't, like Naruto, One Piece and Bleach, we all have common sense. Our brain recognizes the part when the characters are not speaking real life Japanese. For example, I say, "Omae wa mou shindeiru." Like, you are already dead. Like, in this part, you know that no person in the world would actually speak this sentence. So you can skip that. There is no difficulty in figuring out the phrases that you will never speak in real life. You can judge by the tone of the character's voice. It's difficult. You can watch any anime you want. There is no restriction to you if you can understand it. But if you still don't want to watch anime, I recommend that you can watch J-dramas, which are almost real life. Like, they are almost real life Japanese, but they are boring. For me, they are boring. Like, maybe you will enjoy them, but for me, they are boring. They are quite slow. The one hack that I can recommend you is that you can watch the web series that you have already watched. For example, if I wanted to do this, I've already watched Breaking Bad. So what I would do is that I would find Japanese dub of Breaking Bad and watch that, because I've already watched it, and it will be easier to understand that. And I know it is enjoyable, but it's not necessary that you have to watch the one that you have already watched. It may be boring, but it's your choice, right? And how will you find the Japanese dub of the web series? Well, I cannot say how you will find on YouTube. You know, like, they will ban my channel if I do that. So you can find out. It's easy. It's very easy to find out. Well, I cannot say the name, but you will find out. If you don't want to do that much hassle, I recommend there is a channel named Emotional Language, Emotional Stories. I don't really remember the name. I will put it here. This channel has very great story. Like, in this video, the narrator reads mangas and they use female voices too. They use different voices for different characters. They read manga and that is why the subtitle part is solved. Like, you can read the manga and plus they also speak the language, and their stories are quite good. They have uploaded very much videos. Like, I think they have 800 something videos. I will put that too here. If you have never watched anime in your entire life, which is very very unlikely, but if you didn't, first start with English subtitles and stick with them for a while. It will take a time for you to adjust to the anime. And like, for when you get adjusted, most of you would have already watched anime and you are quite fast in reading the subtitles. I recommend that you turn off subtitles and watch the anime as it is. And if you want assistance, there are some apps that give Japanese subtitles. Otherwise, you can watch Doraemon on YouTube. It has subtitles. So that's it. Now you can watch these videos if you like this video, and drop a comment.